Are you feeling totally buried under the avalanche of new AI tools? Yeah, you're not alone. It seems like every single day there's a new app that promises it's going to change everything. So, how in the world do you pick the right one? Well, let's dive in and see if we can clear things up. Consultant and researcher Dr. Vernette Grant just nails it with this quote. Not all AI tools are created equal. And that one idea, that's the secret to cutting through all the hype. It's not about grabbing more tools. It's about finding the right tools that actually work for you. And this really is the problem, isn't it? Especially if you're on a small team. I mean, every decision, every dollar for a subscription, every single minute of your day, it all counts. You just can't afford to get it wrong. So where do you even start? To figure that out, we're going to look at a super simple but really powerful starter kit. Now, don't think of this as just a shopping list. Think of it more like a blueprint for how different kinds of tools can click together and build a system that actually works. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest time wasters for any team, meetings, or more specifically, all the crucial information that seems to vanish the second a meeting ends. Come on, let's be real. How many times have you been in a meeting, trying to contribute, while also frantically trying to type notes? It's impossible. A tool like Otter.ai completely solves this. It's like having a dedicated assistant in the room, transcribing everything as it happens. And this quote just says it all. The real win here isn't just getting notes. It's that your team's brain power is freed up. People can actually listen, think, and solve problems, instead of just trying to keep up. Okay, now for the next piece of the puzzle. What if your tools could actually talk to each other? Well, our second tool is like the digital glue that holds everything together. We're talking automation. Zapier is that digital glue for your whole toolkit. It doesn't really do one specific thing. Instead, it connects all your other apps so they can work together automatically. It's the quiet, behind-the-scenes hero. And this is why it's so critical. It gets rid of all those tiny, mind-numbing manual tasks, like automatically saving an email attachment to your cloud drive. That's Zapier working in the background, saving you time and stopping you from having to switch between 10 different tabs. Okay, so we're taking notes and automating tasks, but where does all that information end up? Our third tool is all about solving that problem by creating a central brain for your team. Right, so Notion AI takes all your scattered notes, your long-winded documents, your project plans, and it makes sense of it all, instantly. It can find action items, give you a summary, and just organize the chaos into a clean, searchable space. And this is so, so important. That phrase, knowledge management, sounds super corporate and intimidating, right? But a tool like this makes it easy. It helps any team build that central brain, so valuable info doesn't just get lost in someone's inbox.
All right, tool number 4, we're going to switch gears a little bit here, from organizing information to actually creating things.
Look, every team needs to make visuals, right? For social media, for presentations, whatever. Canva's AI tools basically put this process on hyperdrive, helping you whip up on-brand designs and graphics in way less time. And honestly, this is a total game changer for small teams. You don't need to have a graphic designer on payroll to make things that look professional and consistent. It gives everyone on the team the power to create great-looking stuff. And finally, let's talk about that spark, the beginning of an idea. Where do you go when you're staring at a blank page? Our fifth and final tool is like a creative partner for brainstorming and just getting unstuck. Yep, this is your creative engine. It doesn't matter if you're stuck writing an email, trying to come up with new marketing slogans, or just trying to make a sentence sound better. ChatGPT is that endlessly patient collaborator that helps you generate and polish your ideas. I absolutely love this description. It's so much more than a writing tool. It really is a partner you can bounce ideas off of, anytime, day or night. It's your secret weapon against writer's block. Okay, so we've got our 5 tools: Otter, Zapier, Notion, Canva, and ChatGPT. It's a fantastic toolkit for sure. But here's the thing. Just having them is only half the battle. There's a much deeper secret at play here. And that's the million-dollar question, right? If you go out tomorrow and subscribe to all 5 of these, will all your problems magically disappear? And the answer is, well, probably not. Because the real magic isn't in any single tool. The real power, the thing that actually transforms how you work, is how you connect them. It is all about the workflow. And this right here, This is the most important thing to take away from our entire explainer. You could have the most expensive, most powerful AI tool on the planet, but if it doesn't fit into a smooth process, it's basically just a very fancy, very expensive digital paperweight. So let's be super clear on what a workflow even is. It's a system. It's a connected chain where the output from one tool becomes the input for the next. It's what creates this seamless flow that seriously multiplies your team's impact. Okay, let's make this real. Imagine you're starting a new project. Step 1, brainstorm. You use your thought partner, ChatGPT, to get some ideas flowing. Step 2, organize. You take those ideas plus your meeting notes and pull them into your central hub in Notion. Step 3, create. With a solid plan, you start building the visuals you need in Canva. And step 4, automate. The whole time, Zapier is in the background, connecting these apps, maybe saving your Canva files to the right folder automatically. See how each step just flows into the next? That is a workflow. So as we wrap up, I want you to stop asking, what tool should I buy? And start asking yourself this. What is the single most frustrating, broken process your team deals with every day? Start there. Because fixing that one workflow, that's going to unlock way more potential than any single app ever could.